Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your hidden images on MidJourney. So this is going to become particularly useful, for example, in my case where I happen to create some images, and then as you can see here, if I go through some images and then actually hide them, I actually don't know where it appeared. So on the right hand side here, you have this hide option where you can hide a prompted set of images. So if I click on hide here, my problem was that I didn't know where that was. So if this interests you and you want to learn how to see your hidden images, make sure to stick around. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved in this video, guys, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, in order to actually see your hidden images, on the left-hand side, you want to click on Organize. And then from here, you're actually going to see a Filters option. So you could actually see your folders and you can see filters. So in order to see your hidden images, you're going to tick this box that says Hidden, and there you have it. So now these images are able to be viewed by you, and they're here on MidJourney. So in order to actually unhide them, you would just click on the image that you want to unhide, or you could actually just go ahead and click the first image and then click on this icon here where you unhide the image. So as you can see, I would have to unhide it one by one, I believe, in order to show all the images. But let's go ahead and actually do that. And then when we go back to our Create tab, these are the images that we have unhidden, and now they're available here. So this is going to, again, become particularly useful where, let's say you have a lot of images under Create, but you just want to hide a set of images. This is how you actually go ahead and do that. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.